you all have joined for July 2023 admission cycle, and most of the students who have joined this induction meeting are for annual batch students. That means you will be having your examination after 1 year duration. That means you have taken admission in July 2023 and your exams will be in the month of June 24. And you must be wondering, it will be very late. We are having induction meeting today, but you all know that you are students of open distance learning, distance education, and it is not the correspondence education. And you will be having a very limited number of classes, and even the practical sessions also you will have in the study center only. All the information I will give you, and even the study center coordinator and assistant coordinator will give the details of the classes, okay, which are going to be held in the study center. Now, as a student of IGNO, you will have to follow some of the sequential activities. If you follow those activities, you will be able to complete the program within the prescribed duration of the time. Okay. Okay. So this first thing is, after taking the admission, you will have okay, IGNO ID card. IGNO
Yes,
ID
ma'am.
card is very much important, and if anybody of you is not able to download the IGNO ID card, please send us the mail. Okay, I have already pasted our email ID, the address in the chat box. Once again, I will give you our email ID. You can send us the email, your enrollment number and the program. We will download your ID card and give. Okay, if you have already downloaded, please have a print and keep it with you in your file. That ID card will be used to, okay, visit the regional center, and you will have to produce while you are visiting your study center or when you are appearing for the examination. So ID card is very important. Using your registered ID and the password in the Samarth portal, you can download your ID card. Okay. If you have any difficulty in downloading, please contact us. If you are a localite, you can come to the regional center, or you can send us the mail so that we will send you the scanned copy of the ID card. This is first thing. The second one is the study materials. Study materials, most of you would have received by this time, maybe the whole study material or in parts also you will be receiving from our headquarter. Study materials will be dispatched from our headquarter Delhi, and only for some 10% of the students, localites, in the regional center we will receive, and we will be sending you the email immediately. Once we receive your study materials, you will have to come and collect the study materials. Okay, if you have not yet received the study materials, no need to wait. You can just download the soft copy of the study materials available. I will paste the link to download the study material. You can download and start studying. Okay, this is about the study material. I know most of you are having problems in receiving the study materials, and some of you would have not yet received the study materials, and I will paste a link in the chat box so that you will be knowing the status of the study material dispatched from our headquarter. Okay, the best thing is you can download the study material, start studying from today itself. This is about the study material. The next thing is your classes. Counseling in IGNO, the classes, the teaching, we will call as counseling sessions. Counseling classes are nothing but the doubt clarifying sessions, and you are not going to have all the classes like regular college students. You will be having some limited number of the classes. For example, if your one paper is of 8 credits, you will be having 8 classes only. Okay, and maximum, if you need any more classes, maximum 12 classes, minimum 8 classes you will be having in your each paper. Okay, so I'll be answering all the questions at the end. We will have interaction so that I will answer all your questions. Once I complete some information, giving some information, we will have interactive sessions. Okay. So the counseling sessions will be held immediately after this induction meeting. The study center will schedule your classes and they will send to your email ID. You can attend the counseling sessions. And counseling sessions theory The sessions are not compulsory. The attendance is not compulsory in the theory sessions, but most of the programs like BSc, MSc, Environmental Studies, all these are having practical component. Attendance in practical classes is compulsory to attend the examination. So you will have to attend the classes in Hasanath College in your study center, okay, compulsorily. 75% of the attendance in the practical classes is compulsory to attend the examination. This is for your information. And theory classes will be held online in the weekends only. Okay, Saturday, Sunday only we will be having the classes during weekends only, and practical sessions also they will schedule your practical sessions, and then they will be sending to you. You will have to attend in the face to face mode your practical classes, okay, in the study center. Even that schedule also will be sent to you. Usually the practical sessions will be held once your theory examination is over. All of you will be having your theory examination in the month of June. After June, July, August will be having your practical classes and the examination also. Okay, so this is about your classes. Study center is the place where you will get all kind of academic support. That means they will conduct the counseling sessions, theory as well as practical sessions. Okay, theory classes will be online. The link will be sent to you. You can attend theory classes, and practical sessions will be offline. Okay, whichever the program, whichever the paper is applicable to you in your program, that you will have to see. Then the assignment component. Assignments are compulsory component. In each paper you will be having one assignment, and assignment carry 30% of the weightage to your final results. And term and theory, 70% of the weightage will be given to term and theory result. Assignments carry 30% of the weightage to a final result. So you must be careful while preparing the assignments. I will paste a link in the chat box. You can download your assignments question paper from the link given. You can start writing the assignments. Each paper you will have to submit one assignment, and assignment should be handwritten on A4 size paper, ruled or unruled. You can write, okay, it should be handwritten compulsorily, and assignment should be submitted to your study center only. You all have to submit hard copy of the assignments to your study center, Hasanath College. So assignment submission last date would be, it will be written on the question papers, and usually in IGNOU it is March 30th. March 30th will be the last date, and sometimes there will be some extension that we will let you know. But you can start preparing your assignments from today onwards using the soft copy of the study materials. Okay, so assignments you have to submit during March, April. Then the examination. Once you submit your assignments, then examination you have to apply online only. The link will be opened in the month of March, April on the IGNOU website, main IGNOU website. You have to apply each paper, 200 rupees fee will be there, including your practical papers. Okay, you will have to apply for the examination online in the month of March and April. You should be alert. See, keep visiting our IGNOU website so that you can apply for the examination. Before you apply for the examination, you should have submitted your assignments to your study center. So you should be remembering these two important things in the month of March and April. Submit your assignments, and also submit your application form for appearing for the examination. Okay, see, appearing the examination, you can appear this. Hasanath College is also one of the exam centers in Bangalore. You can appear your examination, attend your examination in Hasanath College, or else you can take examination anywhere near to your area. Even in Bangalore, we have 5 examination centers. Okay, you can just select any of the examination center. You need not select your exam center Hasanath College only. Any of the exam center you can select. And even outside Bangalore, many other districts, Shimoga, Mysore, Mangalore, Davangere, Tumkur, we have examination centers. You can select any of the exam center in your own districts also. Okay, that is also possible. And also outside the state also. For example, if you are moving to any other state, okay, during the month of June, you can select that particular state, that particular examination center in Hyderabad, Chennai, or anywhere. Okay, Kerala also. There are many exam center all over the country. Outside the country also we have examination center. You can select any of the exam centers outside also. Okay, theory. Only for the theory papers, you can select any of the examination center, not only in your Hasanat College, or not only in Bangalore, outside also you can select. So, but while selecting your the exam centers, while applying for the examination online, you will have to select that particular state, particular regional center, and the exam centers in the drop menu. Okay, so that is the thing. So you should be remembering these three important points during March and April. The first is you have to submit your assignments. The second is applying for the examination. The another important thing is re-registering for the second year. So second year registration, well before you attend the examination, either you are appearing or not, or passing or failing, irrespective of that, you have to take the admission for the second year. Re-registration is nothing but taking admission for the second year. For example, MSc Environmental Studies and BSc students, okay, MA Arabic, you have second year also. So you will have to apply for the second year admission in the month of April, March and April, May also. The link will be opened on the IGNOU website only, that you have to apply for second year. So these three important points you remember during March and April, so that continuously you will be doing your studies, and you will be completing your program within prescribed minimum period of time. You know that minimum duration, for example, MA Arabic, you have minimum 2 years of duration, maximum 5 years you will be having to complete your study. So you have to plan accordingly. Okay, don't miss taking second year admission, even though you are appearing for the examination or not. If some of you have any genuine problems or difficulty in appearing June examination, this coming June examination, you can attend your examination in December. In IGNOU we will be having examination twice in a year, that is June and December. If you miss attending exam in June, you can attend in December also. That is like that. And if you have submitted all the assignments for this June examination, and for any in case you cannot attend the exam, the assignments whatever you have submitted will be carried forward. Okay, but you will have to reapply for the examination. You have applied in June, but you cannot write the examination again. You can appear in December, but you have to apply for the examination once again in December. Okay, so December is the examination, and September would be the time to submit your assignments. If you cannot submit your assignments maybe in March, April, this coming March, April, you can submit your assignments in September also. That means once you complete 1 year duration in June 24, you need not wait for another June to appear for the examination. In between December also, you can attend your examination and submit the assignments. And part by part also you can appear. For example, you have 6 papers in first year. So you are not prepared for all the 6 papers. You can submit 3 assignments and appear for 3 examination. And in December again another 3. So like that you can split and appear for the examination. This is all the continuous activity, sequential activity you will have to do as a student of distance learning. And all the time you will not be visiting your study center, or you will not be visiting the regional center. You are a distance learner, so you must be very careful than the regular college students. So you have to visit the website, IGNOU main website link also I will paste, and then regional center we have a website, that also link I'll give. You can visit the website and get the updated information. Whatever I am giving now, the information, everything is there on the IGNOU website. Okay, so this is from regional center side, and if you at all you have any other questions, you can ask me. Okay, once our coordinator and assistant coordinator give some information. Thank you very much for the patient hearing. Now I would request Professor Nilofer Madam, the coordinator of the study center, to give some information regarding study center activities.
Yes, sir.
Madam?
Yes, yes, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am. One and all present for this meeting. This is Professor M.S. Nilufar, Coordinator, Department of Mathematics, 1390 Hasrat College for Women, Dickinson Road. It is very near to MG Road. In our center, we are offering courses BSc General, CPLT, DTG, certificate course in functional English, and also Master of Environmental Studies. I have 25 years of experience in mathematics department, and we have done term and examination smoothly with the support of Regional Center Bangalore. And we started the practical sections also according to batch wise and subject wise. We are updating the assignment marks batch wise regularly. We in our center we have very good lab facilities like chemistry lab, physics and botany, zoology labs. We have very good labs, and also we have very good library facility also. Whenever you come for contact classes here, so you can have the library books also for reference, right? And as if Hema Malini madam said, and we have the contact classes in online classes for theory classes, and the practical classes as if one-to-one contact practical classes only, right? Practical classes 75% attendance is compulsory. You people have to have attend the practical classes, right? Up to 75% of attendance you have to attend the classes, right? And regarding the assignment, as ma'am said, you people, and you have to write the assignment in the respective subjects. You have write it in the A4 sheet and put it in the spiral binding and submit in the Hasnat College 1390. All right. And as if we have examination center also in our college, you can opt in our center, otherwise other centers also there. And near to your center, you can opt the examination center also. Right. And we have very good lab facilities here. Right. Whenever you come and visit to college before conducting the classes here. Right. And if you have any doubts, and my colleague Shafaka sir will give the information. Sir, Dev sir.
Madam, good evening, madam. Good evening, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir will speak. Shafaka sir.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Sir, I have joined June 23 in the MS Environmental Science, sir.
No, you can ask your questions to Hema Malini madam or to us after the session is over. Please.
Right,
Please.
right.
Yeah, sir. Thank you, Nilafar madam. Thanks, madam. Shafaka sir, the assistant coordinator of the study center. Sir, if you can share some information the students.
Yes, madam.
Please.
Yeah. Ma'am, am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
The present is the fruit of the past and seeds for the future. The root of the present always lies deep in the past. Respected Hema Malini madam, Shanmugam sir, Kasturi madam, other faculty members of IGNO RC, and dear learners. The reason why I call you learners is because of two reasons. Point number 1.5 years ago, UGC had recognized open distance learning on par with regular learning, which means the certificate from IGNO intrinsically is much valued than the regular, believe me, the regular college. One. Secondly, please listen carefully, IGNO is a mechanism for creativity, innovation, and empowerment. The reason why I use these three words is because working students, whether they do technical jobs, whether they do apprentices, whether they do clerical jobs, whether they do other other types of jobs, each and every person with minimum eligibility can join IGNOU. And when I use the term minimum eligibility, I mean to say 12th standard degree in the case of to join it to a 12th standard PUC in the case of a degree and a degree certificate from any recognized university for postgraduate students. Friends, our study center 1390 is established literally, though on paper it came came in 2009, but real establishment took place in 2010. The first course which was allotted to us was BCA. The then director, once he came, visited our college for inaugurating the diploma in German classes. Then I asked our president to just tell him, give us at least one MSc course, one MSc, because we did not have an iota of taking a BSc, because BSc was very much settled in government science college. From there, we have been nurturing many students, and I believe a lot of students come to the study center, feel satisfied with the way the mechanism operates. What is this mechanism? Friends, study center is different from regional center. Study center is different from regional center. Regional center is the parent and study center is its child. When I say that, I mean to say that in regional center, you have to do 3 important things. Point number 1, please submit your assignments in the regional center. And you are from the July 2023 batch, and please ensure if you want to write examination in June, if you want to write examination in June, then please understand you have to submit your assignments latest by March 31st or with any grace time which is given with the permission of the concerned assistant director. Yes, 1. Second point, classes will be of 2 types, theory and practical. Theory classes most probably will be online, and only a few, because of paucity of time, because of lack of time, it is very imprudent, it is literally improbable to conduct all the theory classes. That is why we will conduct important classes online, preferably in the month of March, which will be supplemented from April by practical classes for the first year, in which you will also be, each student who is doing his BSCG will be intimated through a mail by the IGNOU regional center themselves. For others, like MSc Environmental Studies, let me tell you, practical classes will most probably begin in April, again late March or early April, where we will be trying to schedule much earlier than that to accommodate you to study for theory examinations, which will intrinsically happen in June. Friends, third important item is seriousness of a student towards his study center, which is the most vital, friends. Friends, it is said that to manage a business is to manage its future, and to manage the future is to manage information. Today, information is the epicenter of each and every argument. whether it is yes, whether it is no, whether it is why, whether it is how, etc., etc. In this light, please understand whether you are working in an MNC. This is just a request. Whether you are working in an MNC, whether you are working in a ordinary company, whether you are working in DRDO, whether you are working in Air Force, please understand when you have taken up admission at IGNO and when you land up at the study center, you are a student. My dear friends, please mark this. When you mark this in your head, I tell you, each and every activity that you want to do will become hilariously easy, because you will feel like a student. Once you feel like a student, all the trials, tribulations, tensions will be wiped away from your jaws. One, these three things are important. And coming back, please listen carefully. And coming back to the practicals, let me tell you, practicals will be of two durations. Please listen carefully. It will be held each code. For example, there are papers. For example, if you have taken chemistry, there is one particular code that is BCHCl 132. That particular practical will be held 2 days. In the third day, there will be examination. And some work will be allotted for record writing also. You can sit in the laboratory and record write. And lot of students, my dear friends, same thing is for physics, botany, zoology, and geology also. Though geology will be conducted in another college, which information which Hema Malini will explain to you in the later stages of this particular session. Friends, as far as mathematics is concerned, please don't lose heart. We'll have maths classes also. We have a very good pool of teachers, and when you come here for practicals, you will yourself see that we believe in hard work, and our forte is perseverance. The student has to be satisfied before he leaves study center. That is our aim and objective. Friends, we don't have much time. For those of you who have taken admissions in other courses like DTG, CSR, CTPM, CPLT, let me tell you one thing. We will shortly be doing, if at all, if practicals is applicable to you, we will shortly be starting practicals for you. Yes, intimation will be from the regional center itself, because the regional center is like our mother. We will never compromise on the importance as far regional center is concerned. And lastly, one important thing, because this is publicly, I want to thank you today, Dr. Hema Malini Madam. The reason is, for 2 years, the diligence she had worked diligently. When I say diligently, officer of her caliber, she had come down to the tone of the students to solve students' problems. And today, our study center salute her. With these few words, I finish my talk with a strong message to all of you. Please understand, you have joined a very good institution, because you see, US, forget in India, it's very much valued. In US, Canada, this a degree, a small diploma from IGNO has lots and lots of cumulative weightage in it. With these few words, I sign off. Thank you, friends. Thank you, man. Thank you, man.
Thank you very much, sir. Uh, Thank you very much for giving good guidance and suggestions to our students, sir. Sir is a
Yes.
very senior academic counselor and assistant coordinator, and very actively involved in all the IGNO activities for more than 20-25 years. And sir is a very good resource person also, and very helping to our students. Thank you very much, sir, for
Thank
being
you.
with us and supporting us in all our activities at Hasanath College. And
Thank you.
now, students, if you have any questions, any doubts, you can just ask me. And also madam and sir is also there. If anything is related to the study center, they will also answer. Please.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes, madam.
Ma'am,